Hey guys, today we got a quick review of the Anker Soundcore K20i. So I needed a pair of headphones that were not earbuds because I use these when I do podcasting, and when I have earbud headphones, I'm not able to hear my voice very well, and I don't like the way that it just makes me sound. So these are basically like AirPods in terms of how they fit. They're not buds, they're just basically plastic, so you can still hear yourself very well. This is what the case looks like. Comes with an instruction manual and then a small USB-C connector, which is nice. So this thing, pretty small case overall. Got a nice little latch here, and then these things are very magnetic, so they snap right back into there, no problem at all. Overall, the sound quality I have liked a lot. Honestly, I can't tell any different between my original Gen 1 AirPods, and those were like $100, and these are much, much cheaper. So I honestly like these headphones a lot, and for the price, they were exactly what I needed. Definitely check them out.